Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 3 English teacher. Now see children, in block 2 describing the person, we have completed our S2. In S2 what we did? We did our adjectives. Children, I told you what are adjectives. Let me repeat now. What is noun beta? Noun is nothing but name, place, animal and thing. What this adjective will do? Adjective will describe a noun in brief. That is adjective. A tall person, a short person. Yes, what is this? You are describing a person. Noun is a person and you are describing a person. This comes under adjectives. Yes, what you are doing? You are describing a person in adjectives. What are adjectives? Tall, short, brave, courageous. These all comes under adjectives. Okay, children, this we have studied in our S2. Now, today's topic is S3. What is our topic today? S3. Descriptive writing. Okay, now what we are going to do in this, children? Now see, let me ask you a few questions based on this topic, children. Now see, first one. What you will do? Now my dear children, look here. I told you I am going to ask you some questions, no? See. They both are twins. They look same. How you'll describe them? See, you'll tell they both have same smile, same eyes, same nose, no? Same hair color, same skin color, no? Both have long hair. See? Everything is same here, no? The girl is 9 or 10 years old. What is this? You are describing a girl here. Yes? What you are describing? You are describing a person, a girl. Two twins. You are describing twins here. Who are twins, who look same. And what you are telling? They both have same smile. Both have same eyes. No? What is this all? We are describing a person. When you are describing hair, eye, nose, smile. No? What is this all? This all come under adjectives. Now children, write today's date 12-8-2020. Descriptive writing S3. Now see, I am reading a small passage, a small story for you all. So now we will see what are adjectives in this. Now see. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Underline the adjectives in the given paragraph. Rohini, my 8 years old student, is different from other students because of her appearance and personality. She already stands at shoulders height next to me. Means what? Rohini is an 8-year girl and she is very tall. She is as tall. She is to the shoulder level of a teacher. Her hair is red, long, thick and shiny. She has chubby cheeks with bright blue eyes. How is she, children? She has a red, long, thick and silky stylish hair it seems, and she's having chubby cheeks it seems, with her blue eyes. What is this all, children? Blue eyes, red hair, chubby cheeks. These are describing Rohini. These all come under adjectives. No? Now see, the gaps in her teeth makes her look funny. What happened here it seems? She's having gap. Where? In her teeth. What happened due to that gap? She looks funny it seems. When she smiles. She has broad shoulders and a fat belly. I realize that her hands are as long as mine when I shake hands with her. She plays a lot and defeats even older children at the games. She is very polite. How is she since children? She is having a long hands. And what happened? She defeats everyone, it seems. Yes? And she is very polite. Now see. And gentle too. She never fights with anybody. She helps the other students with their work. She share her meal with everyone. Wow, she's having one good habit, children. She is gentle to everyone. She is kind. She is good to everyone. She never fights with anyone, it seems. And what happened? She share her meal with everyone, it seems. Meal means what? Tiffin, lunch, or snacks. She looks after the little brother at home and helps me with grocery shopping. Who is telling this? Mother is telling this. What mother is telling? She'll help her mother, it seems. How she'll help her mother? She'll help her mother by taking care of her little brother and to do shopping in groceries, to bring groceries, it seems. To sum up, I can say that Rohini is big, strong, caring, helpful and gentle. What this all come under, children, I told you? I told you that this big, strong, caring, helpful come under adjectives. Now, my dear children, as I have read this paragraph, now we'll underline the adjectives. What we'll do in this paragraph, my dear children? Beta will underline the adjectives, beta. What are adjectives? Which are describing Rohini in brief. Describing in brief means what? Tall, red, blue eyes, fat, chubby, a gap between her teeth. These all come under adjectives. Okay, now look here, children. Be ready with your pencil now. Now look here, children. Rohini, my 8 years old student. What will underline? 8 years old. No, this all come under adjectives, children. Is different from other students because of her appearance and because of her appearance and personality. She already stand at shoulder height next to me. Her hair is red, long and thick. What will underline, children? Red, long and thick and stylish. These all come under adjectives. Now see next one. She has chubby. Underline the children. Now look here. Underline the chubby cheeks with bright blue eyes. Bright blue eyes. It is describing Rohini in brief. So that comes under adjectives. The gaps in her teeth makes her looks funny. Funny comes under adjectives. When she smiles, she has broad shoulders. What she's having, children? She's having a broad shoulders and a fat belly. Fat belly, broad shoulders. This all comes under adjectives. Means it is describing a person in brief, children. Yes. Now see next. Can you all see, children? It is very clear. Now see next one. I realize that her hands are as long as mine. Large, children, sorry, large as mine. When I shake hands with her, she play a lot and defeat every older children at the games. She is very polite. She is very polite. See? She is very polite. Yes? And gentle too. And gentle too. She never fight with anybody. She helps the other students with their work. She help other students with other work, it seems. She share. Underline this share. Share come under adjectives. Share her meal with everyone. She looks after her little brother. Underline this little. Now look here, beta. Share her meal with everyone. She looks after her little, underline little brother, at home and helps with the grocery. Helps with the grocery. Shopping. To sum up, I can say that Rohini is, see children, big, strong, caring, helpful and gently. This all comes under adjectives, beta. Kindly go through the video and underline this all words, children. See, I'm underlining again properly. Children, look here, beta. Go through the video and underline it. Okay, now see next one. Second answer. Second question. Which adjectives in the above paragraph tell us that Rohini is helpful and gentle? We know she is helpful because, children, my dear children, please, this is your own answer. See, why do you think Rohini is helpful, beta? Because, see, you can see here, because she is helping her friends to complete their work. See, she is helping the other students with their work and she is helping her mother. The same you should write here, children. Okay. Next one. Third one. Refer to the paragraph written in your notebook and tick yes or no. Children, now we all are not in our school, no, beta? And you don't have your friends, no, to refer it. We are not writing in our notebook, no, now. Everything will come yes, 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 yes only, no? Yes? So what we'll do? When school will open, when we all will come together, we'll do this. Now see children, this S4 is here. Checklist. For this checklist, you should have your partners, beta. They should write their own story. Then you should see what are their adjectives, they are writing correct or wrong, then you should do it. Now, we are not in our school, so let us keep it aside. We'll complete it afterwards. Okay. So what happened? You have only S3 now. Kindly complete this. Underline, go through this paragraph. Underline the adjectives. See from the above paragraph, write this small answer. Take help of your parents. Okay, beta. Everything is here only in the above paragraph answers. You can write 1 or 2 lines. Enough. 1 or 2 sentences. Enough. Third one, you can keep it aside. We'll complete it afterwards. Now, my dear children, open your reader. Children, look here. Describing a person, block 2, page number 18. We have completed page number 17 in last class. Now today I am going to complete page number 18. Kindly write today's date here, 12-8-2020. Then what you will do, keep your fingers where I am reading. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the help box. Children, you should underline the adjectives. You should select the correct adjectives from the above box. See, here you can see a box. Narrow, busy, narrow, black, silky, untidy, short, tall. These all comes under adjectives. Now see first one. My brother's room is very dash. See, how is brother's room? See, my brother's room is very dash. What will come here? Untidy. What will come here? What you should write here, beta? Untidy. My brother's room is untidy. Now next one. A dash road leads to my house. A dash road leads to my house. See the picture? What you can see in this picture, children? A narrow road. Narrow means what, beta? A small place, a thin place. No, it's not wider. Wider means big. Narrow. So what you'll come right here? A narrow. See, what you'll write here? A narrow road leads to my house. Next one, third one. It's a dash street. How is this street? Bah. See, it's very busy, no? Same like our General Bazaar. Secunderabad General Bazaar road, always busy road. Yes? Busy means what? Many people. It is always crowded. Crowded means all people are there here. Yes? Because all will come and do here shopping, no? So it is crowded here. So what you'll write here? It's a dash street. It's a busy street. What you'll select from here? Busy. So what you'll write, beta? Busy here. Now see here, what is the picture? Girl, no? What is asking? The girl has dash and dash hair. See how is her hair, children? What you'll write here? Black and silky. So what answers you wrote, my dear children? My brother's room is very untidy. So what will come here, my dear children? The girl has black and silky hair. Now see here, last one. Fifth one. She looks so dash because the man next to her is dash. Look here the picture. She looks so short. Why? Because the man next to her is very tall. Yes or no? Now see, you should write it. She looks so short because the man next to her is tall. With this, my dear children, we have completed our reader workbook. Okay, beta, kindly go through the video and complete your work, children. Thank you.